Hello and welcome to BlackPipper Forex. Today I'm going to analyze pre-London session, and it's 7th April today, and I'm going to analyze British pound versus US dollar on multiple time frames to find a nice entry. Okay, so this area, these black lines, this is the Asian session range. The market has just broken out of the range in the pre-London session on this such a big bar going to the downside, so very widespread bar. And here the volume is constantly rising. The volume is here constantly rising to the upside. This shows that there is plenty of strength in the bears. This is 15 minutes chart. Okay. And the price is lying below 20 SMA, and 20 SMA is below the 50 SMA, and 50 SMA is below the 200 SMA. This is also an indicator that the bearish. Okay, if we shift to the 30 minutes time frame, okay, so in 30 minutes time frame we can see that the low of New York session, this red line is a New York range broken. So this support is now a resistance. The support has been turned into a resistance. Now the close of this bar is very crucial, and after the close of this bar we have to see whether the price would go and retest the broken level or not. Okay, other than that, if we zoom out a little, we can have next potential areas where we can find rejection, 37.57, then 37.16. So this could be the target for today's hour. In 1 hour we can see this daily support and resistance levels. These are 1.3778, which is very near at the moment, around 13 pips away, followed by 37.31 and then 36.61. So for today we are expecting the price can go up to 1.3731. And what's the main cause behind this great movement? Let's check out the 4-hour chart. Okay, so in 4-hour chart you can see this is a really big widespread bar, and this bar has a very high volume. Here you can see the volume is really high, and then the followed bar is also a red bar, and the volume is again high. Okay, and when the price tried to move to the upside in these three bars, these three very small bars, the volume was declining. This was a confirmation to the entry here. So this big engulfer, the price action traders call it an engulfing bar, we call it a widespread bar. So this is a widespread down bar which is the cause. And you can see, if you apply simple wave counting from here up to here, it was one impulsive move of 172 pips. Move was 140 pips, and next impulsive move was 108. So you can clearly see the impulsiveness was constantly declining from up to 140 and then 108. So the constant decline in the impulsive moves, impulsive waves could be seen, and that was followed by this big widespread on our entry. So right now we would like to enter at 1.3801, and even the price can go a little above this level. So if I mark my entry, if I mark my entry, so this is your potential entry zone, and I can point out, okay, 3800 and 3810. This is the range where you can find the entry, and your safest stop loss is this area. However, if you are